Welcome again. This is past exam questions 006 for GCSE Maths Foundation tier. We've got 3 questions to answer. The first question is on simultaneous equations. The second question is on the area of triangles and rectangles. And the third question is on angle properties. So question 1. Solve the simultaneous equations 5x minus 2y equals to 4 and y plus 4x is equal to 24. So let's label the first equation as equation 1. Then we can rewrite the second equation as 4x plus y equals to 24. We can then multiply this second equation by 2 to obtain 8x plus 2y is equal to 48. Then we can label it as equation 2. We then proceed to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously by adding them. So if I write the first one, I can add the second one. And if I add them, I'm going to get 13x is equal to 52 because minus 2y plus 2y is 0. Then we can solve for x by taking 13 to the other side. We're going to get 52 divided by 13, and that gives us 4. So the value for x is 4. Then we can substitute the value of x into equation 1, and this is what we get. 5 times 4 minus 2y is equal to 4. Simplify that, you get 20 minus 4 is equal to 2y. Because we are bringing this 4 to that side and taking minus 2y to this side. So minus 2y becomes positive and plus 4 becomes negative over here. If I simplify that, I'm going to get 16 is equal to 2y. And because I want y, I'm going to take y to the other side and I'm going to get 16 divided by 2. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. So the value of y is 8. And that is the answers for x and y. We could also have solved this question using substitution. Let's try that. So the second equation is y plus 4x is equal to 24. We can make y the subject here to get y is equal to 24 minus 4x. Then we can substitute the whole of that, the whole of this, into y right here. If I do that, I'm going to get 5x minus 2, and then instead of the y, I'm going to put in 24 minus 4x is equal to 4. Then I expand, I'll get 5x minus 48 plus 8x is equal to 4. Please note the negative signs. A negative here times a negative here gives you a positive. And then simplify that, you're going to get 5 plus 8x is equal to 4 plus 48, because I've taken the minus 48 onto that side to get plus 48. And then again we simplify to get 13x equals to 52, and you can see it's just like the equation we had before. So for x, you're going to get 4, and then we substitute in equation 1 again, and we're going to get exactly what we got before, which is 8. So that is question 1, using 2 methods of solving it. Question 2. The diagram below shows a triangle and a rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 4 times the area of the triangle. Find the height of the triangle. Please note that the area of a triangle is given by half times the base times the height. Also, the area of a rectangle is length times width. If we denote the height of the rectangle by h, then the area of the rectangle will be given by half times 12, which is here, half times 12 times the height. And this is equals to 6h, because I can reduce this fraction. 2 goes into 2, 1, and 2 goes there, 6. So I end up with 6h. Then the area of the rectangle is 20 times 9. But we are told that the area of the rectangle is 4 times the area of the triangle. So if I multiply the area of the triangle by 4, I will get the area of the rectangle. So if I do that, this is what I get. So the area of the triangle is 6h times 4 should give us the area of the rectangle. So we are going to solve this equation by taking 4 and 6 to the other side. And when we do that, it's going to divide. So h is equal to 20 times 9 divided by 4 times 6. I have deliberately written it this way because this is a non-calculated paper. I do not need to multiply them out and then go and divide big numbers. So now I can reduce the fractions by doing some cancellation. So 4 goes here, 1, and 4 goes there, 5. 3 goes here, 2, and 3 goes there, 3. So I'm left with 15 over 2. So I get 15 over 2. But 15 over 2 is the same as 7.5 centimeters. So the height of the triangle is 7.5 centimeters. Question 3. Find the value of x. So looking at this diagram, we've got various angles. Please note that when you have a square like that in a diagram, that it means the angle has the value 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. Now we can solve by considering the angle principle, which says that angles at a point add up to 360. So all these angles at this point here, or around this point, is 360. So I can write an equation like that. 4x plus 3x plus 60 plus 90 will add up to give you 360. Simplify that, you're going to get 7x plus 150 degrees is equal to 360. 7x plus 150 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Then take 150 to the other side, you're going to get 7x is equal to 360 minus 150. Simplify that, you're going to get 7x is equal to 210 degrees. Then I'll find x by dividing 210 degrees by 7. So I'll get that. And if I evaluate that, I'm going to get 7 into 7 is 1, 7 into 21 is 3, and I add a 0, so I'll get 30 degrees. And so that's the end of this session of past examination questions. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.